Imagine sitting down in a fancy restaurant, you open the menu, and you see a single dish priced at over $2,000. What would you even order? A steak, a pizza, maybe a dessert? Today, we're diving deep into the world of luxury dining to explore some of the most expensive foods you can actually eat. We're talking about everything from unbelievably luxurious caviar and legendary Wagyu beef to desserts literally covered in gold. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you lines understand why some people are willing to pay more than the price of a car for a single meal. Before we get started, let me know in the comments, if money was no object, which of these foods would you be most excited to try first? I'm really curious to see your answers. Alright, let's kick things off with the absolute pinnacle of luxury food, caviar. And not just any caviar, but the king of all caviar, the Beluga white sturgeon. This stuff can set you back an astonishing $25,000 per kilogram. You'll find it being served in the most exclusive restaurants in places like London, New York, and Tokyo. So what makes it so expensive? Well, it comes from a very specific and rare type of sturgeon that can live for up to 100 years. The long maturation time means the supply is incredibly limited. A single spoonful of these pearly, delicate eggs can cost hundreds of dollars. It's typically served very simply, with small pancakes called blinis, a dollop of crème fraîche, and sometimes even a sprinkle of edible gold leaf, just to take the luxury up another notch. So, I have to ask you, would you spend hundreds of dollars on a single bite of caviar? Let me know in the comments with a simple yes or nitrogen monoxide. Next up on our menu of extravagance, we have the most expensive steak in the world, genuine Japanese Wagyu beef. We've all heard of Wagyu, but the real deal can cost around $300 for a single 8-ounce serving. So why the eye-watering price tag? It's all about how these cattle are raised. It's a process filled with incredible care and attention to detail. The cows are given a special diet, which in some legendary cases is said to include beer to stimulate their appetite. They're even given massages to relax their muscles, which prevents tension and helps develop that signature marbling. The supply of authentic Japanese Wagyu is also strictly controlled and limited, which naturally drives up the price. The end result is a piece of meat so tender and richly marbled with fat that it literally melts in your mouth. It's an experience unlike any other steak. So here's a question for you. If you had the chance to try real Wagyu beef just once, would you take it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Now for something a bit more unusual, a delicacy revered in Asian cuisine for centuries, bird's nest soup. The price for this dish can range anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 for a single bowl. You'll find it on the menus of high-end restaurants in cities like Singapore, Hong Kong, and across China. But what exactly is it? This soup is made from the nests of a small bird called a swiftlet. But these aren't nests made of twigs and leaves. Instead, the birds build them using their own saliva, which hardens into a web-like structure. The process of harvesting these nests from high up in caves is dangerous and difficult, making the main ingredient incredibly rare. Beyond its rarity, the soup is believed to have significant health benefits, particularly for improving skin complexion and overall wellness, making it both a luxury food and a traditional medicinal remedy. So, would you be willing to try this for the supposed health benefits? Comment "I'll try" or nitrogen monoxide thanks down below. Just when you thought caviar couldn't get any more exclusive, let me introduce you to Almas caviar. If Beluga is the king, then Almas is the emperor. This is, by far, the most expensive caviar in the world, fetching a mind-blowing $34,500 per kilogram. What makes it so incredibly precious? It comes from extremely rare albino sturgeons found in the pristine waters of the Caspian Sea. These sturgeons are estimated to be between 60 and 100 years old, and the older the fish, the more elegant and complex the flavor of the eggs. To complete the experience of pure opulence, Almas caviar is traditionally served in custom-made tins, crafted from 24-karat gold. This isn't just food, it's a statement. I mean, can you even imagine spending nearly $35,000 on caviar? If your mind is as blown as mine, just type "wow" in the comments. Alright, let's move from savory to sweet with our next item, which is perfect for anyone with a sweet tooth and a very, very deep wallet. Head over to Serendipity 3 in New York City, and you can order the Golden Opulence Sundae. The price for this dessert, a cool $1,000. This isn't your average ice cream sundae. It holds a Guinness World Record for its price, and for good reason. It starts with 3 scoops of rich Tahitian vanilla bean ice cream. Then, it's drizzled with melted Amide porcelana, one of the world's most expensive chocolates from Madagascar, but that's not all. It's covered in chunks of rare Chua chocolate, exotic candied fruits from Paris, and adorned with a staggering amount of 23-carat edible gold leaf. It's all served in a baccarat crystal goblet with an 18-carat gold spoon, which you get to take home. It's the definition of dessert decadence. So, would you ever spend $1,000 on a sundae? Let me know if it is a must-try or just too much for you in the comments. Just when you think things can't get any more over the top, some restaurants take luxury to a whole new level. These dishes are less about feeding hunger and more about creating an unforgettable experience and, let's be honest, a major status symbol. First, there's the diamond steak. This isn't just any steak, it's a prime cut of Wagyu beef, already incredibly expensive, that's then garnished with black truffles and, of course, delicate flakes of edible gold leaf. A single plate can cost upwards of $2,000. Then, for the pizza lovers, there's the gold leaf pizza. This pie is topped with mozzarella, fresh lobster, heaps of caviar, and, as the name suggests, a generous dusting of 24-karat gold flakes, pushing its price to around $1,000 as well. These dishes are designed for the ultimate photo op and to give diners a story to tell. So, if you had to pick just one of these extravagant dishes, the steak or the pizza, which one would it be? Comment below and tell me your choice right now. So there you have it, a look into the world of the most expensive foods you can actually order in a restaurant. From the incredibly rare Almas caviar and melt-in-your-mouth Wagyu beef to desserts literally dripping in gold, these dishes represent the height of culinary luxury. They're a feast for the wealthy, the adventurous, and, of course, the incredibly curious, like us. It really makes you wonder about the relationship between price, rarity, and taste. So, my final question to you is, out of everything we looked at today, which one would you actually be willing to try if you had the chance? Let me know one last time in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this journey into the world of luxury food, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more amazing food stories. Thanks for watching.